Hey, it's VJ from Canada. So YouTube's got a new subscription service called YouTube Premium, and in Canada it's $11.95 a month, and that gives you access to all the great YouTube content ad-free, and you can download stuff for free. Well, not free because it's a subscription. And you know, this is completely laughable. If I want to watch YouTube for free or ad-free, all I got to do is get an ad blocker, and that's free, not a monthly subscription. And if I want to download any YouTube content, I just go get a program called Clip Grab. There are others, and that is for free, and I can download to my heart's content. The reason I'm even pointing this out is YouTube's been so greedy with their demonetization of all the small video creators that they don't deserve for anybody out there in the general public to subscribe to their service. As for their premium content, YouTube stars that I've seen in the past are all pretty mediocre, and what I've seen, they promoted a lot of idiots when there's a lot of other small video content creators that produce quality material. So I would really recommend you pass on YouTube Premium, because there's nothing premium about it.